I'm Piyush Sharma 15CS276 and today I'm going to make a simple scenery using applet. So let me show you the applet before itself what we're going to make today. So this is we are going to make today, and as you can see here the sun is rising here. And that's all. Okay, so let me start with the coding first. Okay, so first create a simple applet, and I've named the applet as experiment 9 because it's my experiment 9 in Java lab. Then we'll come to these variables afterwards. First, in the initializing function, init function, set the background. The background, set the background of the applet. I have set the background of the applet as sky light blue. You can see here this is the hexadecimal code for the color light blue. Then coming to the paint function. Okay, so first g dot set color code. This is the color code for light yellow. As you can see, as you guys saw the sun, right? The color of the sun was light yellow. Then we have made a old first, and x2 y2 90. So now here, as you can see here, x2 and y2 comes where x is equal to 1200 and y2 is equal to 400. It is according to the Cartesian, so you have to adjust. It is a hit and trial method. You have to adjust the coordinates and all to get it perfect. So as you want to get the sun, as you want to move the sun from down to up, we have done like this, and here we are going to create a thread for moving the sun. Thread new runnable while true if y2 is greater than or equal to 80. 80 is a point in the screen at the top of the right corner, so the sun should not go above that point. So that's why we have given the limit as 80. So y2 is equal to y2 minus 4. So every time the loop is ending, it subtracts the coordinate by minus 4 so that it doesn't waste any time. Now we have to we want the thread to wait there for like some time, so that's why we have used thread.sleep for 200 milliseconds, and we have to throw the try and catch exception here. Okay, now and then repaint and then t.start to start the thread. Now coming to this side, this code is for setting the color of the sun. This code is for setting the color of the ground. This is a hexadecimal code for green color. Then color for the house, color of the windows and the door. And now for the roof, for making a roof, we have to make a triangle, right? For triangle we are going to use a polygon. So for polygon you have to set the coordinates, the 3 coordinates for making the triangle. So here we are initializing an array of x points and y points containing the x coordinates and y coordinates of the triangle. Then so we are giving the x coordinates as 450, 850 and 650, and y as 250, 250 and 125. So this will make a triangle which will be the roof of the house. Then this code is for generating the roof. Then we have to make some trees to fill up our applet. So these codes are for making the tree. This is for making the what do you call that, the lower part of the tree, the trunk of the tree, and this is for getting the upper part, the bushy area of the tree. So again we are using fill oval and fill rectangle, and we are giving particular sizes and widths to make it into a rectangle or any shape which is required here. Similarly done for the second, third and the fourth tree. Now this is done for the clouds. So first I made the clouds. I got the with the help of the hit and trial method, I got some coordinates. I adjusted the clouds somewhere now, but I wanted the clouds to be a little right from the left side. So here I have created a variable c1, and I have initialized the variable c1 with 200. So for every x coordinate, I'm adding the C1's value so that the cloud moves 200 right side of the x coordinate. And the same thing is done here. I have used this C1 and these two variables, actually this one variable, for adjusting the clouds. So let me run and show it to you. And as I've told you before, the sun will be moving from the ground to the top. We have used thread concept in that. And the sun is in the top now. As as I have told you before, the maximum limit is 80 here. Here I have given the limit as 80, right? Uh, Here y2 should be greater than or equal to 80 because it keeps on increasing while going down. So I want the sun to stop at a particular coordinate, so it is 80. So I have given the limit as 80. So this is the basic form of the applet. Thank you.